It is November 11th, 2020. This one here, I gotta go do a burner service on an oil-fired furnace. I've been here, I think I might have replaced this thing back in the day, a long time ago, but there is a yearly thing. I go there and change the nozzle, make sure we're getting a good oil flow, and make sure, you know, it's getting a good draft over the fire. Return and supply come off the top of the furnace, what they call a lowboy furnace. Anyway, we'll try to get you some shots when I get there. Alright, so it's been, what, 4 years since I changed the filter, so we'll do the filter. We'll do a filter. Alright, so we'll shut this here off. Like I said, it's been a few years, so we will change it. That's what they call an F4 filter. Been a few years, so we'll see what it looks like. It's been 4 years. Wow, it looks new. Look at that, it looks new. I'll change it. Look at that. 4 years old. That's why I don't change them all the time. Give this thing a good scraping. Ooh, we got a leaker. We got a leaker here, Ma. We got a leaker. It's an F4. Just open and bleed the air out. She's a leaker. It's a aromatic valve. If it heats up, it'll melt and pop in. My rag here. Shit happens, Mom. Shit happens, Mama. Until we get all the air out. I'm probably gonna bleed it through the pump anyway to check it, but I put a new furnace in here. I think I might have put this oil tank in too. I don't remember. Don't remember. Sometimes these passageways get blocked with sludge and the thing doesn't wanna. We could always bleed it through the pump if we had to. It's got 2 gaskets on there. Here we go. We got oil now. It's always good to bleed it so you know you got no air in the lines, right? Thing was pissing out the back, I didn't even realize it. I'm sure you got rags. No big deal. No big deal. Check it. Shut the power off to this thing so it don't fire on me. I got the power off there. And I could jump out FTT. So when I turn the power on, it will run. Just jumping out TT. That's the thermostat. When I turn this power on, she'll fire. Gotta change the nozzle. I'm gonna bleed the air out, get that going. It looks a little crusty there. Getting a delay spark or something. Check it. Crusty. She's a little crusty. She's a crusty one. She's a crusty one, Mr. Grinch. I can always tell by that if it's dirty. It calls for a 70 degree. Throw a 75, 70 in there and I'm fine with that. That should be fine. This is a rear flue furnace, oil-fired furnace. So when we turn it on, it should fire right up. It fires up. I got the TT jumped out. keep the you know, the nozzles clean and the filters, get everything working properly. Got draft over the fire. Draft over the fire, so that's good. Hopefully there's no dirt and vents here. They get a little crusty. If this thing was starving for oil, you'd hear it. You'd hear it with the... If it was starving for oil, the filters are blocked and stuff, you'd hear it. The way it would be running, it'd be running shitty. So we're good to go here with this thing. This is all clean. We should check the filter in the back too. See what the filter looks like in the back. I think he changes those filters regularly, but I need to check that. Nice and clean. That's a good sign. Take this door off. See what we got. Alright, he's got a washable filter that's clean. I think I have replaced this belt before. Belt looks fine. Filter's good. We're good. Supply and return come off the top. It's not leaking. We're good there. Alright, no filter at tank. New nozzle. Clean burner head. Good oil flow. Good draft over fire. I'm just trying to think of when I put this thing in. Wow, 01. Wow. That's 19, almost 20 years ago. Wow. Flipping time goes by, guy. Holy shit, man. Time goes by when you're having fun. That's what you call a lowboy. See the supply and return come off the top? And it's a rear flue. Because the flue's not coming off the front here. So it's a oil-fired lowboy rear flue. 20 years old. Holy shit. Yeah, it's been nice out.